Niall, in terms of personal tax and other various items that came up in the budget, what did you pull from it that might be of interest?
Well, I guess the budget itself is on the back of the exiting the COVID restrictions. We have mounting global climate change challenges. There's an ever increasing housing crisis, and then we have looming inflation fears. So, from a personal tax point of view, the standard rate bands have increased by 1,500, and the tax credits have increased by a paltry €50, which brings them up to 1,700. Like, that's really to allay the inflationary fears. So it's not really the usual tax cut that everybody's receiving. It's more trying to assist with the increase in energy bills, etc., that everybody's going to suffer in the next 12 months. Um, there's one good thing, although it's probably the devil's in the detail when the finance bill is announced, is the 30% um, relief on vouched expenses for heat, electricity, and broadband for those working at home. That's a good thing if it's not done the way they currently have it done that they brought in for 2020. So hopefully it's a little bit more streamlined because the existing one isn't uh, isn't being valued, or I don't think that many people are actually claiming it. There's again other items. The universal social charge, the second rate band has slightly increased to 21,295. It's not a whole lot really. Um, and finally, then on the finance bill is said to re-examine some amendments to Section 127B. Won't be affect an awful lot of people, but it does affect the taxation of international air crews, um, especially those that are non-resident. So I think there might be something there, because a lot of, at the moment, if the airline is based in Ireland, it's going to be liable to payroll taxes regardless of the residency status of the air crew. So they obviously are looking at that. Um, Maybe it's just to help that industry um, recover.
Yeah, I think that was pretty a little bit a small item, but interesting nonetheless.
Mm.
It seems to me it harks back to the days of kind of state-owned airlines, and I think that would have been the origin of it, which is a changing landscape. Yeah, just in terms of the working from home. Claimability of the credit, yeah, I think it's a valid point. Look,
Yeah.
the collection and operation of tax, it should be easy. And I think a lot of people are questioning, even it sounds, quite generous, 30%, a trebling of the current claim. When you prorate it to the number of days at home or whatever, people are anticipating maybe 50, €60. So
Yeah.
I think there'll be a real choice to be made of whether it's valid or not. To actually, go to the trouble as such. Time will tell, I guess.